Okay, and we're here. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the final hour of trading today. Today is Wednesday, February the 15th, 2023, and it's great to see you all. We have an up session on NASDAQ, but not the Dow and not the S&P 500. The Dow's off 77, NASDAQ is off 2.5. Dow's down 77, S&P down 2.5, NASDAQ up 62. Oil down 55 cents on the session today. Some of the stocks we like to follow, however, are having an okay time of it. For example, 23andMe, they're up 13.5 cents today. We're at 288.5 pennies on that one. GameStop is up $1.43. News concerning GameStop is that this new Hogwarts game that is out. It's a video game. It's a virtual reality thing or something. I don't know anything about games. You guys know about games. This game is hot. It is a huge hit, and GameStop is selling a ton of these. Perfect for PlayStation systems and Xbox and all that. So again, I don't know all this stuff, but it sounds great for GameStop. The other news on GameStop is that a hedge fund operator, a guy named Stephen Cohen, not Ryan Cohen, Stephen Cohen, no relation, picked up a bunch of GameStop stock as well. This is an interesting development. Just like this morning with SoFi, when you get outside interest in the stock from large entities, it creates a buzz. This is just making the rounds. This is just new news about GameStop. So GameStop sales seem to be being helped with this Hogwarts game. I'm sure GameStop's selling them online and in the store, of course, because they got both sides. And now an investor, hedge fund investor, making a move into GameStop shares. This is interesting. We're at 21.34, up $1.47. The high today for GameStop is 21.54. The volume on GameStop today, 5.7 million. Not incredibly high, nonetheless interesting. And then we had this news, I think yesterday. I'm just double checking there. Ray Dalio's hedge fund triples GameStop and AMC bets. Ray Dalio is a huge hedge fund operator. Interesting. I don't know. Not quite sure what's going on there. I don't know. We'll see if there's something more to it than that. I'll keep you posted when I know more. All right, so 288 on ME, up 13 cents. $1.51 gain on GameStop, 21.38. ATIP up 0.6 of a cent, just under 40 cents, 39.9. Tesla still up 149. SoFi, the other winner, up 46 cents to 7.20. The high of the day on SoFi today has been 7.29. And the volume on SoFi today, 28.1 million. That is not an outrageously heavy day at all. That is kind of average, maybe. I'm just happy to see the stock move up the way it is on such light volume. This is good stuff. This is really good stuff. Apple's up 181, HPQ down 2, Sextair's up a dime, Google up $2. Moderna down 2 cents, Cisco up 46 cents. Mostly winners here. Pfizer's off 56 cents. That's one of the losers today. IBM down 24, Microsoft down 3.39, having a good run lately, but giving up some ground today. Other stocks we like to watch on our former SPACs. Rocket Lab, 5.14 a share, up 18 cents. Matterport up 11.5 to 370.5. SmartRent up 21 to 289. Spire up a nickel to 110. All these four former SPACs are all moving up today, and they're all within the next 2 or 3 weeks away from their earnings release. So we're getting close to hearing how they did in the last quarter. Amazon up $1, Home Depot up 140, Netflix up 115, Vanik down 114, Adobe down 99, Goldman up 146, Boeing is down 119, Meta down 270. The AMC 8 combination, by the way, they're up 68 cents. And I think the reason they're up is because GameStop is up. That's the only reason they could be up. Curious to see how this plays out. Royal Caribbean up 22 cents. Carvana up 120. Robinhood up 46. BlackBerry up 11. That probably is up because of GameStop too. Target up $4. JP Morgan off 18 cents. Costco is up 582. Walmart is up 46 cents. Disney is up 83 cents. Nvidia down 330. American Airlines up 1 penny today. So the big market, the Dow Industrial down 66 points in the red. It tried to break even, awful close to doing it. I think it even broke the break even line around 215 today, but it was like a mountain. It got there and then gave up ground, hung around a bit for half an hour, and then dropped again. And now we're down 54, 60 points on an attempted recovery again. Maybe we'll break even on the day. Who knows? Yeah, S&P is now half a point higher. Nasdaq is up 72. The markets are coming on right now, so maybe the Dow will get a bit of a wind here. All right, there's the story. 21.44 right now, 10 cents below the high today on GameStop today. How much more juice is in the tank? I don't know, but hey, the stock wants to take a run. You guys roll up. Stock wants to back off. You'll roll back. Otherwise, you enjoy shrinkage in premiums because time takes the stuffing out of these contracts no matter what. Thank you, all of you, for hitting the thumbs ups button for me. We're always pushing for 100 thumbs ups. Aaron hit it at number 5. Richard, number 7. Mandu is number 8. Deep Value, number 10. Spicy, number 12. 13 for Moonman Mood. Bama Babe, number 15. Thumbs up. Gaddy figuring he was in the same neighborhood. KC, number 17. AJ, 18. Brian, 21. Nick, 22. Wing Commander, up to 36. Make that 26. 28 for the Time Machine. Maria Powell, 32. Bobby Atkinson, 34. Zach, 31. Deep Value, happy. Harry Potter should be their biggest game of the year, they say. Splair, 37 thumbs up, by the way. Marco, 43. Giddy up. Let's see what else is going on here. Klecko, should I be buying shares of the former SPACs or putting more into poor man covered calls? Which would be the best option? I think you get everything in the poor man covered calls as quick as you can, write as many options as you can, and get that level to the point where you can quit your day job, then diversify from there. Build your income stream, and then you can move into others. You can't do it all at the same time. Zero in on what you really want to be doing the most. Are you talking about the Mets owner, Steve Cohen? I think that's who we're talking about. I think so. Anyway, insider trader. I'm familiar with him, says Coyote. Interesting. Let's see what else is going on here. Not Your SoFi got some back. Number 51, thumbs up. Managers, number 51. H. Gregory, 53. Thank you, everybody. SoFi over 750 today. Watch, it's going to happen, says Not Your SoFi. It's going to happen. Splair, Uncle Bruce, do you think we can drop this week still back to 20, or do you think we're GameStop going high? I don't know. I didn't know it was going to do this today. I don't guess for a living. I just kind of tell you what to do when it does what it does, and the stock wants to go higher. That's all I can tell you. I can't tell you how high it wants to go. Let's go higher. That's all I know. I wish I knew more. BZ, number 60. Mirko, Uncle Bruce, I had 2 Tesla September 210s. I rolled into December 225s with 194 profit per contract, and I'm up 1,500 up in strike. That's a nice move, Mirko. That's really sweet. That is a beautiful move. Tesla shares right now are sitting at 211 up 205, so you're doing great here. White Feather, I'm number 62. Dean, 61. Christina, wow, I was watching an old episode. I figured it out when I went to give a thumbs up, and I was number 168. I was watching an old episode. Number 40. I appreciate the thumbs ups. If you want to watch like 20 of my old episodes and give them all thumbs ups, I thank you all very much for that. By the way, thank you anybody who's watching here on a rerun right now. Hit the thumbs up button right now. Thank you very much. Okay, Mr. JR Parrish, I just gave a thumbs up for my other account there, JRP. Well done. What else is going on? Constantine, I'm number 69 here. Ricardo, all my covered calls are up, so I just crossed my arms, only like $1 or so in the money after the pop. Karim, number 70, let's go. Constantine, looking forward to tonight. Gold member primetime show, 8 o'clock primetime with Uncle Bruce for Gold Bagel members. Bruce, speaking into the future. Not your SoFi. Why do rollovers have to feel so good? Hawkeye, number 73. Thank you, everybody, for these thumbs ups, guys. Become a member of this channel today. And once you become a member, make sure it is at the Gold Bagel level membership so that you can then join us tonight, primetime live, with the gang right here. We'd love to have you in. Thank you all. We're going over to member-only content. So if you want to do a knee emoji attack, you got to be a member of this channel. And I'll tell you, people are getting rich doing those knee emoji attacks. What can I say? I don't know. I don't know why, but they work. They just seem to work for people. We're down 53 on the Dow. We're up 1 on S&P. We're up 74 on NASDAQ. We got GameStop up $1.50 to 21.37. ATIP 39.9 up 0.6 of a penny. Tesla 211.19 up 194. SoFi 7.24, 5 cents away from the high today on SoFi. Giddy up, kids. You gotta love how this is going. Let's keep this thing happening here. Susan Shop's about 75 in appreciation. JR, neat, Mirko, neat, Richard, neat. Here they come. Giddy on up. Mandu, knee emojis, Bama babe. The big E is here. Maria's here with the knee emoji attack. Richard, someone said knee. Who said that? The knee attacks are underway. We have 81 thumbs ups now on this show. Thank you, everybody. We love to hit 100 every afternoon. And we're on our way to 100 right now. 83 are in here. A couple more knee emojis coming in. There's Larry Titus. Thank you, Larry, for being here, buddy. That's fantastic. Neat. Cindy's here saying, I'm number 83, Bruce. And there it is. Number 83 just showed up. This is beautiful. Thank you all for being part of the channel today, helping out with the knee emojis and the thumbs ups, and hope you are watching and enjoying this run with this market, trying to make some money. Obviously, if GameStop goes up, all your deep in the money contracts are worth more money. They're climbing faster than any of the calls you've written against your stock, so way to go. Those of you who have 17s and 18s and 19s, if you find an opportunity to do a roll-up, a rollover with an increased cash into your pocket, and you can move up and strike a month or two down the road or more, you do it. Right on. Larry Titus, hi, everybody. Number 81. Neat. Fantastic, buddy. John Anderson is here. Knee emoji attack is underway. Thank you all. Deep value options. The knee emojis keep coming. The Dow's only down 43. We're up 1.3 at S&P, and NASDAQ is up 73 points. Market is moving in the right direction. 724 on SoFi, up 51 cents. HBQ just went green as well. We got ME at 288 and Bed Bath Beyond at 180.5, down 4.5 cents. Interesting market. Again, another interesting day here. Google up 184, Moderna down just 4, Cisco up 58 now. And yeah, Rocket Lab 514 up 18 cents, Matterport 371 up 12.5, Smart Rent up 21.5 cents to 289.5, Spire 109 up 4. Go, guys, go. Keep it happening. Make my viewers richer, all I say. Bobby, hubby, let's ride the wave, folks. Mirko, have you already figured out a nice place to take Auntie Jen for dinner? Just say yes or no. Don't need to say where. Well, we have our favorites. We have a few favorite spots we like to go to. Of course, we always love our In-N-Out, but we have a few places that we kind of like around here that we like to frequent. And so we'll figure that out a little later. No rush. I told Auntie Jen what happened this morning with all of these donations that you guys were making, these $2 plus donations on super chats and everything else, and she just blown away. I mean, she just kind of going, man, these people are incredible. I told her, I said there were 30 of them. 30 donations came in here, some on PayPal, some through super chat. And I said, looks like we can go out for dinner. She said, well, that's good because, I like to eat. As I was telling her, she was doing her exercises, and she was walking sideways around the dining table sort of like one step, and then the one foot goes forward, the next one follows, the next foot goes sideways, and then she'd go around the other direction, building the lateral movement. Going around. It's these exercises that she's been given by her therapist are really helping her out. She goes tomorrow for therapy again, or her second last session tomorrow. Looking forward to that. Splayer, I had an interesting experience today. I had a limit on a bought June call, $4.15. The bid on the call was $4.10, and then it was $4.15, $4.10, $4.15. I decided to change the limit to $4.10, and it was then filled at $4.16. Bingo! How about that? That's interesting. Swear, I had the feeling to trade with someone else, but we probably changed limit at the same time. Maybe that's what happened. It can happen. I don't know. I don't know how it works. Quirky stuff can go on. We are 52 points on the negative side for the Dow. Nothing serious today. ME 287 up 12. Trying to get the 3, but can't seem to get there and then break it. There's no barrier at 3 for 23andMe unless there's a move afoot that maybe the underwriter that has been charged with raising ME 150 million. It could be that the underwriter has been indicated that around the 3 levels where we'd like to do this deal, and we'll issue 50 million shares at $3 a shot, 150 million cash, boom, into the till. And maybe that's why it won't go over. Maybe that's where it's being suppressed around here. I'm guessing. I have nothing official to tell you about this. If I knew, I'd tell you, but this is just my hunch that something's up here for this this earnings thing. This earnings call came in. It was great. Now the stock can't get past 3. It got to 299 last week sometime. It couldn't go through it. I wonder, is there a block trade going to be done at $3 to get the whole thing done? I don't know. Now, once the deal is done, all bets are off. Could it go higher? Yeah, but will it? I don't know. I don't know what to think. GameStop 21.38 up 151. GameStop holding right in there, 21.40 again. High of the day was 21.54 so far on GameStop today, and we're 14 cents away from that move, from that point. And the way this stock is kind of trading, it might go there. It just might do that. I'll keep you posted. All right. Okay. What else is going on here? Yeah, that's right. Okay, so I got that comment. BBBY is down to half a penny. ATIP 39.7 cents, up 4/10 of a penny. Tesla 211.80, up 255. The high today for Tesla, 204.50. Make that 214.65. What am I saying? 214.65. My phone is really slow. With a $2 gain now. The low was this morning at 206, just before 10 o'clock. So 206 to 214 is the range today. There's a typical day in Tesla, and even that is slight. 160 million traded, trading at 61 times earnings. So what do you think? Is it just going to keep on going higher, or will it have a little correction back in the 150, 60 range and make a whole bunch of you a pile of money on these calls you've written? I like your chances. SoFi 722 up 48 cents. There you go. Mirko, do you have an ATIP location in your area? Could always go there after the exercises in the hospital are done. And if it's an ATIP, I bet some of the owners will donate a few extra hours. I don't even know if there is any ATIPs in this region or California as a whole. I honestly don't know. I don't know. Manager, Uncle Bruce, your opinion on PFE has more downside or is done from falling, considering news on Yahoo, which says drug companies face huge drop in sales in 2023. We heard this. I heard this story on Pfizer about 2 weeks ago that their sales for this year were going to be less. Than last year by a sizable amount. Stock in the last 6 months, back in August, the shares are sitting around $49. Then in October, they went to $41.75. Then December 14th or so, they were at $54. and now they're back to 43. I mean, this thing has been up and down about $10. Just it's trading at 7.9 times earnings right now. So I don't see a lot of downside for PFE. I really don't. I may not. I will put it this way. I doubt the stock will go to $60 a share in a hurry, but I also doubt it'll go down to 35 in a hurry too. I think that we're at the low end of the range. It's a dividend payer. If you buy the stock for dividend, you get 3.74% yield on the stock. That's better than a 10-year treasury. And this company has many income sources, not just one drug. And so they're not backed into a corner that if one drug doesn't sell, they're done for. They have many avenues, and they got a lot coming down the pipeline. So I'm a fan of PFE, but I can't call it that it's going to be a disaster or it's going to be a winner. I think it's going to be conservatively moving here. But over 6 months, it can be 38 to 48, can be in there easily, $10 range. PFE was in a tight trading range until today when it dropped to 43.11. Yeah. Samuel, Uncle Bruce, are you able to tell us exactly how much SoFi will hit by tomorrow? Yes, I could. I could do that. Let's say around 10:30 in the morning. Yes, I could absolutely do so. But in order for me to do that, about 25 of you would have to send me $10,000 each through PayPal donations. So as soon as I have 25 $10,000 PayPal donations in, I'll tell you exactly what that stock's going to be trading at 10:30 in the morning. But otherwise I can't do it because these are secrets that I can use for my own personal betterment to become very wealthy. Why should I give it away for free? If you guys pay me $250,000, well, then it might be worth my time to share that kind of information. So it's up to you. If 25 of you want to send me $10,000 through PayPal, then I'll reveal the big number to you. Okay, great. I might do it around 10:29:59, like right near, but it'll be before. Oh, you can count on that. It looks like Stevie Cohen owns GameStop, Tesla, and Netflix. About 600,000 shares of GameStop back from December, says Deep Value. Steve Cohen. Yeah, interesting. Susan Shops About. Curious, when folks like Diallo and Steve Cohen and other big money folks buy stocks like GameStop, are they buying actual stock or are they buying options? Also saw BlackRock and Vanguard buying GameStop. Apparently, the Steve Cohen situation, he owns stock and options. That was revealed in a filing. He is long 60,000 contracts. I don't have exactly which one, but yeah. Michael, drug news any day now on ME. There you go. Abram, AJ, here in Chicago, there are ATPs at every corner. ATIPs at every corner. Marcus, number 2 thumbs up, Bruce. You're moving up here to 100. Michael, Susan Shops out there probably really buying IOUs. Samuel, Uncle Bruce, you are the greatest. We love you. Thanks, buddy. Lorraine, Uncle Bruce, stop playing. Just stop playing. It'd be real. Mirko, the nearest ATIP location is in Nevada, about 172 miles from Palm Desert. I mean, it's a little ride, but if you really want to go, maybe you can hit a few slot machines when you're up there and stuff. Bobby, thanks, Uncle Bruce. I've only been home 28 days in the last 6 months working on the beaches of the world. Hello, Cape Town. Thanks for the casino. Laughing out loud. Right on, Bobby. Way to go. Marcus, there are no ATIP locations in California, but in Vegas, they have around 18 locations. Interesting. I know they're not in every state, and I'm not sure if they were to come into California, I'd be curious whether they would try to buy an existing operator to absorb them and make them ATIP locations, or would they come in here and find a region like maybe San Diego and open up, 10 locations there, and then move up to the LA area and open 50 there, and then head to Frisco and open 30 there. I mean, I don't know how they do it. Big money is going to be required to do that. I would think at least $1 million a location would be the cost to kind of set up, at least. So that's big money. Big. I don't know. Splair, suddenly Uncle Bruce's PayPal alert is ringing. $10,000 donations are incoming. I got my pen handy. I'm ready to write down names. I'll let you know who it is. As soon as I see those $10,000 donations come in, I'll let you know who it is, and away we go. Thank you all so very much. Richard, California would find a way to ruin ATIP. I don't know about that. If they did it right, what you would do from this gentleman who knows nothing about the business of healthcare in the United States. Well, what I would be doing if I were running ATIP is I would have people representing my company going to the state of California and talking to uh, the people in Sacramento. And I'd find out if they would be interested in having these standalone centers come in. Would that be of interest to them? And if so, how would the state and ATIP work together? Could it be that ATIP and the state of California find a coexisting something? I don't know what it is. Some sort of a, I don't know, some kind of a deal where employees of California's teachers union and firemen and police services and any and all state employees get to use state insurance for physiotherapy services. Could it be there are insurance plans for L.A., Frisco, Riverside, San Diego? I mean, the large metropolitan centers have their own employees, and they may have have their own health insurance. Can all that be tied into ATIP centers so that it's seamless? In effect, people can go to ATIP and put up $5 or $10, and then the service is rendered for an hour and a half, whatever it is. That's what I'd be doing. I'd be pre-setting the table before I bring the table into the house, figuring out just what will the presentation look like. Then I'd look at it, but I don't know if that's doable. I don't know. Susan Shops about no ATIP in Florida. I read mostly they are in the Midwest. Michael, none in New York either. There's some in PA and Massachusetts, though. Christina, check is in the mail. Richard, California ruins everything. Coyote, California has one of the highest GDPs in the world, beating out most countries. Susan Shops about California could be its own country. That's true. BZ, no ATIP in New Jersey, but the nearest one in PA is only 60 miles away from me. Matthew, number 95, Mandu, new high on GameStop, apparently. 2156, 2157. Yep, high of the day. We're here, up 170. 2159, up 172 now on GameStop. Aren't we 6th or 7th here in California? Aren't we 6th or what? 6th or 7th what? I don't know. They're here in Michigan, says Cindy. Brian, Uncle Bruce, I finally got my roll complete on GameStop. I sold for $330, April 1750, bought back 5, and I just sold in August 1875 for $540 earlier today. Right on. Jay, boy, I have 2 ATIP locations named me, one within walking distance, Sky High Kite, ATIP, many in the Boston area. So, yeah, they're in 20-something states. I can't remember the exact number, 28, 29, or something like that. California, Texas, New York, Florida in GDP order, apparently. Zach, Cali is number 7 economically. Oh, California is the number 7 economy in the planet. The 7th largest economy in the world is California. So there are 6 countries ahead of California. There you go. The Dow is down 43 points. ME up 12. GameStop 2158 now. 2159 up 172. ATIP 39.5 cents up 0.2 of a penny. Tesla 212.47 up 322. SoFi 722 up 49 cents. We have 32 minutes to go. Watching this market go through the last half hour, we've got the Dow down 41, S&P down 1/3 of a point, and NASDAQ up 61. And that's the story. We're down 50 cents on oil. Apple up 158. HPQ unchanged. Cyxtera up 12.5. Google up 179. Moderna up 25 cents. Cisco up 54. Pfizer still down 40, but it's recovered from its dip. A good bunch of its dip anyway. IBM down 7. Microsoft down 349. Rocket Lab up 17 to 513. Matterport up 13 cents, 372. SmartRent up to 290, up 22 cents. Spire up 3.5 at 108.5 pennies. There you go. There it is. Okay. What else? Let's see. VJ, I am thumbs up number 99. Bruce, you were there. You're going to get 100 thumbs up. Richard Carlin, thank you. Zach Mirko, and you had the Terminator in California as governor. That's an achievement. And he won re-election when he was governor as well. Unbelievable. Yeah, it's been an interesting ride around here. And It's a unique state. I'll give you that. It's really unique. I love it down here. I think Californians are great. Americans are fantastic. Love hanging out with the Americans down here. I'm surrounded by Canadians. We're everywhere down here. The governor, that's a governor. That's right, Zach. VJ wrote 2 covered calls on Tesla. March 17, 220 strikes. I wrote them when Tesla was at 205. Now the stock's trading at 212. Should I roll my calls over or buy them back or just sit tight and wait for a few more days? Do nothing. Absolutely nothing. Just sit tight and do nothing. Yeah, jack squat, let the stock back off. Don't do anything. Michael, it's not a Tuma. It's just Florida. Zach, or as he would pronounce it, the gummy bear of California, the gummy bear. Yeah, Tuma. It's not a Tuma. It's not a Tuma. He did more for tourism than you can imagine, and he put California even more on the map than it ever was before, because celebrity like him got a ton of exposure for the state. Quite something. Anyway, Mandu, I'm looking at GameStop $22 calls for September. They're offered at $475. Wow, that's a bunch of money. Rollover day. Nice, Mandu. Zach, Mike, you might need to get that checked out. Michael, that Tuma of yours. Hector, number 100, thumbs up, Bruce. Mandu, roll up, laughing out loud. Time to roll it up. Down 33 on the Dow ME at 287.5. GameStop 2159. And we seem to be hanging around 56.59 right now, trying to hang on to the high of the day. And that's fine. Go GameStop, go. It hit, got him. Way to go, Mandu. Well done. Put the money in your account right now. Some of the GameStop offers are so dry on volume. Alberto, Brian, good roll, increased in strike and took in $40 here. Winner, chicken dinner. Giddy up, man. Bringing it on. Why not? GameStop shares 21 what is it 2163? I think we're 2163 on GameStop. My big ass iPad though is not cooperating in the slightest. It is being really picky right now, not helping me out at all. Darn thing. 2156, 2163 is what I think we're at right now on GameStop. Yo. Fun times, everybody. Fun times. Man, what is wrong with you, machine? What is the matter? Sometimes you just have to swipe everything away and try again. Used to be a lot easier, but it's not that easy anymore. I'll tell you that right now. Not that easy anymore. Here we go. Yeah, 2158 last trade. It seems to indicate with a high of 2167 today. Very good. Dow down 32, S&P up 2, Nasdaq up 73. Mixed markets at the moment. Karen D, I am thumbs up 101. Bruce, you are over 100 today. Brian, Alberto, thanks. Just took like a week to roll it. I am starting to be more patient and just putting in what I want. GameStop is such a roller coaster. It is up and down so often. Marcus, Uncle Bruce. Hey, Uncle Bruce. Thank you very much for the past months and years. You made me realize that I was caught hustling and suffered from burnout. Now I am close to working for Tesla Germany, and I'm happy. Right on. This is awesome. Fantastic. Samuel, 2158 is what Samuel is saying, and that would be where we're at right now. Thank you. Alberto, Brian, GameStop is a cash cow. Financial mischief, GameStop better be careful. There might be some more October 23 12s in my future if you keep these shenanigans up right now. Alberto, Bertie, Sammy Styles is in the house. Que passes, hermanito? Financial mischief writes, that is. Giddy up, man. Right on. Down 28 on the Dow. We're coming on. GameStop 2156 year, up 169. ATIP back to 40. Tesla 212.83 up 350. SoFi 726 up 52. SoFi high of the day 759. We're at 729. We're at 726, 725. We're just within pennies of the high of the day on SoFi too. J. Albinez is a new member. JA is a new member today. Gold Bagel level member. Coming right into the penthouse here. Thank you for joining us, Jay. J.A., great to have you. Don't forget you get to use those knee emojis anytime you need them to get those markets to do what you need done. Beautiful stuff. Make sure to join us tonight. Prime time live with Uncle Bruce. Looking forward to seeing you if you can pop in tonight, or you can always watch the rerun anytime you want. All I can say to this is neat emojis. Richard Carlin is showing off the knee emojis too. Welcoming J.A. to the family. Nice to have you here, pal. Way to go. JR is there. Neat as well. 2169 again on GameStop. I think we just hit a new high on GameStop. I could be wrong. I'm trying to see if my device is acting up on me or if it's real or not. GameStop right now, 21. Yeah, this one tells me the high is 2167. This one says 2157, and I saw 2169 trade. So I don't know what's going on. There you have it. There's my life today. Samuel, Alberto, the moolah is flowing in as we speak. Love you, big brother. Uncle Bruce has paved the way. Alberto, Michael, are you still sending me Justin Timberlake a poster, the one hanging on your wall? Maria, welcome, Jay. Welcome, J.A. from JR. Maria, neat. Alberto, love you too. Get that dinero, buddy. Get the dinero. Spicy Android, 2174 on your GameStop, Bruce. 2174 is what we're showing out here in the real world. TOS is showing GameStop at 2175 high. Christina, I saw 2174. Zach, 2175 high, Bruce, on GameStop. Your device is clearly not giving you the goods. That is true. My device is not working. I must be having issues here. Armando Mendez, hey pal, thank you for this donation on PayPal. Just came through. Appreciate it very much. I'm going to add you to the list. You're number 31 today. Yeah. Man, this has got to be one of my biggest days for different people sending me donations. Haven't had this many in a long time. Thank you very, very much, everyone who's been participating in this. I'll always encourage it. Thank you. There we go. Yes, fantastic. There we are. Thank you. And there we go. Over to here, please. Back to here. Continue on. There we go. All right. Michael is saying, Alberto, no way, man. Mine's signed. You're not getting my poster. JR, SoFi up to 727. Go SoFi. Go indeed. 2171 I see on GameStop now. 726 SoFi. I think I've got up-to-date quotes again. My machine is woefully inadequate today. Alberto, like that. Mandu, you're welcome, Uncle B. Oh, thank you, Mandu. That's you. Fantastic. Well, yeah, that's cool. That's awesome stuff, man. Thank you so very much. Credit Savage, Uncle Bruce, I sold some GameStop 2250s for April, and I got $4. Now they're $275, and if I roll them to August 20s, they would be $550-ish. Should I roll that far out and down or just cross my arms? What are your thoughts? Well, another game you could play is you could look to buy these back and then write 2250s for September or something like that. Because the stock's 2170 today. It's popping up here. You may want to be ahead of the stock and not behind it right now. That might be the better move. But hey, you know what? Those 2250s, you're out of the money still. And they've shrunk, so time is working for you. But if you get to May or June or July or August, September, and you can pull in a couple of more dollars, fine. Otherwise, I just sit tight and wait because you got more room to enjoy. This is good stuff. Sean and Wendy, Jay Albanese, congrats. Samuel, guys, cross your arms and let that money magnet do the work. Uncle Bruce 101, thumbs up, no stress, staying blessed with wisdom from the bagel holders. Rock and roll. Right on, everybody. Thank you for being here. We're only down 14.9 on the Dow with 21 minutes to go. The recovery continues on that index. We're up 3.7 on S&P. We're up 77 on NASDAQ. Oil down 43 cents. That's the story. And ME is still sitting at 287. GameStop 2168. ATIP is at 40. Tesla 212.70. SoFi 726, up 52 centinos. 3 cents away from the high of the day right here on SoFi. 30,700,000 traded. Not an incredibly strong day in volume, but there's nothing for sale down here. There's nothing coming in either. Notice how all day long we've been up 40, 45 cents, 50 cents all day, and there's no stock coming in to stop this. You'd think we'd be up to 70, 80 million if this buying were, even stronger. We'd be getting hit with all the stock. It's not coming in. 30 million. That's interesting. Buyers are going to have to bid up to get stock because it's not coming at them. They got to go get it. That is a sign of a turnaround. I like this. Carlos, hello, hola. Number 88. I was driving and listening to the ATIP discussion. I work for medical insurance in California. It's super regulated, and it would be a losing proposition for ATIP. So expensive to do this. You see, there's a reason these guys at ATIP do what they do where they do it. Maybe around here it just doesn't work. I could theoretically see an alliance where if an existing entity had therapy centers, but they would really rather have them managed by someone else, like on a national level. But on the other hand, it may well be that inside California, it is so onerous to be in the medical, field like this that it's a losing proposition, and you might as well forget about it. And you got to respect ATIP for their, to stay away from where it doesn't pay. Thank you, sir, says Credit Savage. Sure do have more room to enjoy. Joe K, very late to this party. I'm 110 on the thumbs up meter today. Joe, thank you. Hi, all. Been busy trading and making moolah today. 5-figure update for me. Thank you, Uncle B. Thank you, Joe K, for being here. Sell my house fast. Hi, 211. I think it might be 111. I wonder if GameStop tries for 22 today. I don't know. GameStop is sitting at 2156 right now, having backed off just a little bit. Michael Carlos, nice insight. Thanks. I'm assuming it's similar in New York. Brian, I will take 22 or 25. All good. All good. Well, there you go. 21.55. The high of the day, 21, is it 74? Been a good day here. Not complaining. Go GameStop, go. Make you guys richer. That's fine with me. Your 5s are even more in the money. Your 10s are in the money. The 15s you guys have are in the money. The 13s some of you have, they're all in the money. You're writing against them. Good stuff. Take the dough and let's go. ATIP 40 cents on a volume of how much? Not much volume on ATIP today. My phone is thinking about it. It drives me nuts. Just drives me nuts right now. My internet here is spotty. Thankfully, this one is good. I don't know why my phone can't give me quality results. It just not doing it. I don't know. Tesla 212.33 up $3. SoFi 724 up 51 cents. BW Uncle Bruce, am I doing this right? I bought back 6 GameStop April 20s for a stink of 365. And I'm going to get to rewriting for July 20s for 490 stink offer. Is that cool? That's cool. Yeah, that's all right. That's moving up the ladder as well. Sure, why not? Look, if you can do, if they were offering you $1 increments, you might do 21s, 22s, 23s, but they're probably not. They're probably not available. But taking more time, fair enough. Those of you who've written Aprils and are sitting on these 365s and you've written them at 450 or 5, you don't have to buy them back. They're worth 160 book value. The rest is time premium. Obviously 490, 330 in time premium. There you go. Okay. Cool bean stuff. Here we go. You're looking at July. So let me take a look at July's. Yeah, they are available in dollars. 20s, I was showing 465 to 520, 21s, 425 to 480. I would look at 21s. I'd even look at 22s at 440 on the offer. I'd look at those. A little less cash, but $2 more in premium. I like that move too. These are July's. I got my bearings correct. Yeah, those are July's. If you're looking at August's, August's 22.50, so you could try for 4.5, 23.75s. Yeah, you'd need around $4 to make that move, to make that justifiable. So I wouldn't be so keen on those 23.75s. Interesting. $25 Augusts are offered at 380, and they're out of the money 336. So yeah, there's a lot of room there, but that's out of ways. Okay. Brian is saying, Gaudi, there are tons of calls versus puts on GameStop between 19 and 23. Could keep going up. Manager, Uncle Bruce, if I take a position in ATIP this month, do you see me making any money, honestly, in 1 year by next March? No pressure, Bruce. Listen, I can buy a gazillion of these, and if I buy them up, and will I make money? I mean, talk about putting me on the spot. How can I answer this question? How can I make any kind of sound guarantees that you're going to make money? How can I do that? How? Tell me how. What do I know? What do I know that will do that? I just, it's your money, man. Whatever you put in and however you do it, and whatever you get. I look at it this way: ATIP is cheap, really, 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 really cheap in price. And I think they can raise money to do whatever they want to do from their backers. I do. I really do. So they're not going out of business. I think they can do anything they want. Something is going to happen with ATIP. I don't know what, though. I don't know what. Will they merge it with another company? Will they take over a private company and roll it into this thing? Do a bond issuance of some kind? I have no idea. Are they going to do a stock rollback? I don't know. So you're buying for a year. You're buying for a year. You're buying for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. The company will be different going forward. It cannot stay the same. It cannot stay the same at 40 cents a share. Unacceptable. I think there are too many heavy hitters into this stock at way more money than what they're trading at. And this is unacceptable. And so whatever's going to happen, I think it will be for the betterment of the common shareholders, because there are a ton of common shareholders that are into this thing that have deep pockets and are looking for a score. But hey, am I going to guarantee it? No. Can I guarantee it? How could I do that? Anyway, there you go. Other than that, I have no pressure in my life. DQ 116, thumbs up. Brian, manager, if you could sell covered calls, you will. Karen, I'm glad I bought 100 more shares of SoFi this morning. I need more cash. Home Skillet. Uncle, any thoughts on option open interest for the upcoming Friday having an effect on the SP? No thoughts. Marcus, ATIP book value is 145. ATIP book value 145. Trading at 40 cents a share. There you go. And I've been yelling at this computer and at this screen, at this stock for a year. Yelling at it that under 5, it's a joke. Under 3, it's a joke. Under $2, this is a joke. Under $1, it's a joke. 40 cents, it's a joke. This is ridiculously cheap. I can't tell you what's going to make it go higher. I can't. Now, if somebody wants to go out there and buy 5 million shares of this stuff and clean all this paper up between 49 and 75 cents or $1 or whatever, that'd be great. But I don't know if it'll stay there. I have no idea. I don't know what's coming up in the earnings report. That's coming up. I'm praying that it's a hugely positive report, but I'm not going to guarantee that either. I do not know. I just do not know what's going to happen here. Tesla 213 up 384. SoFi 724 up 51. GameStop 2156 range, 2169 range. You tell me what the accurate price is. It looks more like 2170 than 2150, but I can't be sure of that right now. With my phone, is just the Yahoo Business thing has gone goofy. It's gone stupid. So there's no consistent quote coming out of there that I can trust right now. Anyway, there you have it. I do the best I can with what little I have. Alrighty. Let's see. There we go. There we are. GameStop 2168 according to CNBC, up 181 on a volume of 6.4 million shares. That much I can tell you, and I think that's accurate. There you go, everybody. JJ, looking to roll my June 16th 22s. JJ on GameStop, looking to roll my June 16 22s. I don't know if you need to. Don't know if you need to do that. You might just sit back and go, unless it's financially worth your while. But whatever. 21.67 right now on the stock, up $1.80. The high of the day, 21, I think 74. Yeah, 21.74 has been the high of the day for GameStop today. Welcome everybody to the party. We're down only 5 points on the Dow Jones, and we're up 5 on S&P, and we're up 80 on NASDAQ. There you go. There you go. Anyway, 21.71 again. We just popped again. 21.71. We're approaching the high of the day on GameStop with 10 minutes left in the session. What else? Brian, why roll June 22s? They are out of the money and you have lots of time. What did you sell them for? Why would you want to do that? Again, yeah, you'd have to have you got to get a reason. Bama Babe, I have June 16 of 21s and I'm just crossing my arms for now. There you go. Bama knows what she's doing. Yeah, no need to even bother at 21.75 for now. Really. 21.75, 21.76. Go GameStop, go. It'll make you richer one way or the other. It's going to go up. It's going to make you richer. It's going to level off. It's going to make you richer. It's going to back off. It's going to make you richer. You guys are going to get richer despite yourselves. You got to love that. You can't make a mistake. You got to like this. That's an easy way to play this market. Bama on that GameStop. JR, what is up with this rally? JJ, thanks everybody. Rock and roll, JJ. Dow's up 7 points. Yeehaw. 21.74 on GameStop. And ATIP 39.7 cents, up 4/10 of a penny. Tesla 213.14. SoFi 7.25, up 51 cents. Apple up 160. HPQ up 14. Cyxtera's up 20. Google up 179. Moderna up 112. Cisco up 74. Pfizer down 33. IBM up 13. Microsoft down 330. Rocket Lab is up 20. Matterport up 12. SmartRent up 27 to 295. Spire up 5. Giddy up, giddy up. Raquel Welch has passed away at 82. 82 years of age. Wasn't it Sophia? Did Sophia Loren just pass away like 2 weeks ago or something like that? Wasn't she? Was pushing 90, wasn't she? These gals have a full life, to say the least. Yes, well, what a life they have had. What they've seen. Oh my gosh. 17-point drop now on the Dow. Unless my phone is completely screwed up, I've got the Dow up 11 over here on my big ass iPad. GameStop at CNBC 21.69 right now. I think that's accurate. And so there you go. DQ, JR, I write calls, so you know, rally. Karen, I have March 2021s and 21s and crossing my arms as well. Not a lurker anymore. Yes, Uncle Bruce, I did it. Woohoo, I want to write, just watch the rerun. Got it. You saw the show from this morning. Giddy up. Not enough knee emojis, I guess, says JR. JA, at some point in time, you have to overlook the political commentary and virus crap and accept that this man will make you money. You have to overlook the fact that he has no hair. He has a face for radio. He has nowhere to live. His Jennifer Aniston wife, you've never seen her in real life. You know that the background isn't Palm Desert, because how can that be Palm Desert? That's just a wall. So you know he's in Creston. That's just a fake wall back there. You have all these, but he does help people make money. So you know you gotta kind of be part of that. You know you got. Mirko DQ. From now on, you should give the channel a heads up 2 days before you are going to write. Would be much appreciated, says Mirko to DQ. Cindy B, I have April, May, July, and August $20 GameStop calls, all in the money. My Tesla, though, is keeping me busy. I will be out of the money at 214. Isn't that something? And as I'm 213.08 on Tesla. JR wall. What wall? There's no wall. DQ, I am the anti-rug man. Michael H. Is J A Moose Knuckles? Is that who this is? DQ Cuckoo Kachu, says DQ. Oh boy. Well, you know, I'm just glad there are more members here than fewer. More the merrier. Gold Bagel members, come on in. Regular members, come on in here. Join the party, pals. Hit those knee emojis. And let's make this market work for you. Let's make some dough around here because they're handing it over to you ridiculously. They're just throwing you money at the options pit. It's unbelievable how bad they want to gamble. Love it. I'm loving this. Oh boy. Mirko to DQ. It's a superpower, you know. Don't mess with the Rugman. Be careful with that superpower. Christina, I rolled 8 of my GameStop 10s from 2025 to 13s, and I got $1.65 cash for each of them. $165 times 10, $1,650 cash. Well, times 8, pardon me, not 10. So $1,300 odd in cash increase in her hands to make that rollover. There you go. Well, stock is at $21.65. What can I say? Up $1.68 right now. Very good. DQ Mirko, indeed it is. I am the Hedge. JR, DQ, if you and Rugman shake hands, will there be a huge explosion annihilating you both? What would happen if that were to take place? A lot of speculation around here. We're down 71 on the Dow. I think we're down 71. I really do. I think we're down 71 on the Dow. We got 4 minutes to go, and I think we're going negative on the Dow Jones. But my big ass iPad won't confirm that. I'm just driving me nuts. I got to go back to CNBC, see what they're saying about this market. I tell you, it used to be easy. No, the Dow is showing a gain of 3 points. So my phone is screwed up. That is official, and don't take me at my word on that, but my phone is having trouble. What can I say? GameStop 21.73 and getting better all the time. I heard that in a song once somewhere. Yes, GameStop 21.77 now on GameStop. 189 gain. I think this is the high of the day. Yep, 21.77 right now on 6.7 million on your GameStop, folks. So 189 gain. Go, baby, go. Just go higher. That's fine. We can play options between 22 and 26. It wants to go to $26 a share. You guys can play options between 24 and 30. Wants to go to $30 a share. You can go 27 to 33. You guys are easy going. You'll be more than happy to get richer if it wants to make you richer. That's all right. We're not going to hold it back. There you go. Number 122, Alex says, good evening, friends. Beach Boy, DQ, Hedge spelled walrus. Zach, Namger, anti-Rugman. JR. No, up by 314. Okay, we're at 21.76 now on the old GameStop shares. How about that action? Interesting stuff. Welcome to the party, everybody. The Dow is up 8 officially. Yes, it is. S&P up 7.5 and Nasdaq up 96. There you go. Giddy up, kids. Giddy on up. ATIP 39.7. Tesla 213.91. SoFi 724 right now. Beach Boy says, JR, that handshake can't happen because of the time continuum. No, can't do it. Can't do it. Sorry, Rugman can't shake hands. ATIP just touched 40 again. Sitting at 40 cents now on 169,000 shares on ATIP, up 0.7 of a penny today. Okay. We've got 2 minutes left in our session now. 724 on SoFi. We're up 50 cents. GameStop, 21.75-76 range right now on GameStop. Up 188, 189 on the session. This is the high of the day neighborhood that we're in right now. We seem to be at or in and around the high of the day on your GameStop shares, kids. Interesting day. Yes. Let's go. JJ, SoFi up 7% in 1 day. Beach Boy, is Larry standing by his bells? I wonder. JJ bought weekly $7 puts for a nickel just in case. JR, that's good. We can't have SoFi delisted. That's good. Larry, Beach Boy, always one eye on the clock, one eye on the sick cat. I'm here, babies. 1 minute to go. Larry's about to hit the bells for us, and we're going to shut this day down with a gain on the sessions. Looks like we're going to be in the green today. It looks like a 14-point gain right now on the Dow. 8 points on S&P, 97 on NASDAQ. So there you are, Deep Value. Have a good night, everybody from Deep Value. Rock and roll Deep Value. Thank you, everybody. Beach Boy, JR, not to worry. Tesla will be delisted before SoFi. Don't worry about it. It'll be fine. 724 on your SoFi. Nam Guar, can't pronounce that. Marcus, Smart Rent has a good day. It's up 11% on Smart Rent. How about that? Earnings are coming up. Isn't that great? Not today, but next week. There it is. The bells, baby. Davey DeBell says, JR, that's right. We're done. Here they are. Thank you, Larry, from everybody. Appreciate this. The bells have been rung. We're up 27 points on the Dow, 32 on the Dow. Nice little surge at the end. Highs of the day. Up 10 on S&P, 102 point on NASDAQ. Thank you. Giddy up. 2175 on GameStop, 2180 on GameStop. Very interesting on the session for GameStop. 2180 up 193. Nice. Very nice. GameStop, what a day today. Straight up shot after a slight down dip on the opening and then straight up on 6.9 million. Not a heavy trading day, so it moved up today, making you guys richer. What else? ATIP up 7/10 to 40 cents. Tesla 214.24 up 4.99. SoFi 725 up 51 cents. 34.8 million and 729 was the high today. You are the man. My political beliefs have kept me from joining. What does it say here? Thank you for this PayPal donation. It's just come through here. Just waiting for the confirmation over here. Here it is. What do we got? Thank you, John. Jay-Z, you are the man. My political beliefs have kept me from joking for years, but you have given me the confidence not to panic. Thank you very much for that generous donation, my friend. Jonesburg, Missouri, I think. M.O., if I'm not mistaken. Thank you, sir. That is very kind of you today. And we will let Jen in on that. Guess what? We're going to have dessert now. We'll have a lovely dessert on top of our dinner. That is our 32nd today donation. Wow. What a day. Thank you, everybody, for one heck of a day today. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. I think also somebody picked up a class earlier today. And congratulations to a new pupil. And the class that was picked up was lesson number 1. Yep. Riley, way to go, Riley. Lesson number 1. Way to go, pal. Welcome to the party. And man, I'm looking forward to seeing you. If you take these classes one after the other, you'll become a writer. I know you will, because that's what happens around here. People become option writers, and we're looking forward. I'll be looking forward to see how you do on these. On our former SPACs here, Rocket Lab closed at 516 up 20. Matterport 372 up 13. SmartRent 295 up 27 cents. Spire up 4 to 109. A very good day all around over there. We'll see how everything works out for tomorrow. Thank you all for this. And let's see here. What's going on here? Beach Boy, dang those bells. Another boring day, nothing going on. JR, wow, what a strange day. DQ, okay, Cisco, earnings inbound. Beach Boy, Coyote, ask and you shall receive. Maybe. Zach, DQ, you and your name flips. Maria, see y'all tonight. Coyote, here's hoping. Hundreds of people bidding and selling, but a volume of 0. Y'all want the calls or not? Deuce Caboose, we are getting some bigger names buying the stock. Investor Relations is getting the word out. Number 126. Interesting, isn't it? Amy, thanks, Uncle Bruce. Looking forward to tonight's show. JR, my account is up because of HBQ, SoFi, GameStop, Ford, and ATIP. They're all up, not because of any time shrinkage. They're just all getting more valuable. DQ, Zach, have to entertain. Alex, Coyote, I've been just ahead of the bid for 2 straight days on various calls. I like to buy back. Yeah, no volume. Michael, Deuce Kabuski, so no bridge. JR, way to go, Riley. You won't regret it for sure. Larry Titus, I still need to send my birthday class request to Uncle Bruce from Beach Boy. Thanks again. You let me know, Larry, whenever you're ready. You tell me which one you want. I'll send it to you. Deuce Gabuski, Smile, and guys, join me tonight, 8 o'clock Eastern Time, Primetime Live with your buddy Uncle Bruce for all these guys right here. If you're a Gold Bagel member, you're one of those guys, you're welcome to join us tonight at 8 o'clock. If you want to be part of that gang, just hit your YouTube settings button somewhere. I think it's your avatar up in the top right, and then it shows you memberships, and then you can figure out how to become a Gold Bagel member. And welcome to our party tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Thank you, 32 viewers today, at least 32 viewers who've made donations to us today. I appreciate that. We had a good time today. It was a good one, very interesting session. We'll be here tomorrow morning as well. So if you can't join us tonight for prime time, look for us tomorrow, Thursday, the 16th, as we continue on. Don't forget, this Friday is the third Friday of February. That's where a whole bunch of contracts expire this Friday, and that puts the onus on March and April third Fridays. There's going to be a lot of shifting going on, so we're going to be seeing a lot of activity in the next 48 hours on the markets. So hang on around and enjoy the show. Thank you also for thumbs ups today. 130 thumbs ups on this show this afternoon. Thank you all so very much. The only way I can say thank you is put up those knee emojis for you. Thank you guys so much for being part of this gang here, the best YouTubers in the business. John Anderson, thank you. Yeah, Alex, that's what I'm trying. Just blows my mind. They won't hit me when I run this afternoon. I really don't get it. Sometimes options trade, sometimes they don't. Hang on your seat. It's going to be a bumpy ride, says Bama Babe. Richard, neat. TJ, neat. Emojis are coming out. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Thank you for new members joining, and new members and existing members rolling over their memberships, and those who are upgrading their memberships to Gold Bagel level. Thank you all for joining in on the party. JR is doing it. Sean and Wendy, God's amazing. They're doing it. Here come the knee emoji. You can't stop the knee emoji attack, even after the bells. Alex is all over it. Here they come from around the world. Knee emojis everywhere, every time zone imaginable. The knee emoji attack is underway. Matthew is here. Have a good day, folks. Today was good. DQ, Cisco crushed it. Let's hope so. Cisco, make my viewers richer. Cisco is trading in the after hours. 52.50 up $4. Giddy up. Larry Titus, neat. Karen, neat. Aurora, neat. Anyone who's written options on Cisco, guess what you're doing tomorrow? Rollovers on Cisco tomorrow. Giddy up, Joe. Neat. Here they come. The knee emojis are coming in. Go, Cisco, go, I say. Well done, everybody. All righty, kids, there it is. I'll be on at 8 tonight, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tonight, prime time with Uncle Bruce, and I'm going to get the alerts out here in just a few minutes. Thanks again for all your tremendous support. You guys are just awesome. I'll let Jen know. A couple more came in today. A couple more this afternoon. I'm going to let her know, honey, you can have a dessert on top of that dinner. So don't eat too much at dinner. You may want to hold off on the soup. Just have a little salad. Get your entree and then save room for dessert. We got to figure out where to go, but we'll figure it out. It's going to be fun. Everybody, thank you all for being here today and following us. Have a great rest of your day today, and stay healthy out there. We'll catch you later tonight, and then we'll see you tomorrow, first thing in the morning. All right, guys, this is Bruce from Palm Desert, California, saying see you at 8 o'clock tonight, prime time for Gold Bagel members. Enjoy life. Eat dessert first. Ooh, yeah, there's a good idea. Thanks, Beach Boy. Thanks, JR, and everybody else. We'll see you later, guys. Catch you later. Bye for now.